happy soul sister, and I love receiving happy mail. And so I did receive my July limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook, and let's go through it because I can tell already it is so cute. And I love the flowers already, but I'm going to set those aside as well as the other goodies. And as always, we're just going to start with the paper. And so the paper line that was included in the kit this month is Glimmer and Glee from 49 and Market. This is a Dennis Bruton collection, and it is full of things that you can use for celebrations. But if you don't have a bunch of celebrations to document, no worries, because there are just as many everyday types of elements that you can use. So we'll start with this paper here. This is called Gala, and it's got just all sorts of adorable bakery goods on it, and some butterflies in there, some different blues and pinks. So cute. But on the other side, look at this. It's got this great plaid here. May the memories of today stay in your heart forever. And so just a great example of two different ways you can use this paper, right? You can use it as a celebration, or this is just a great everyday or Father's Day type of paper that you can use with that blue plaid. This is Celebrate. These cupcakes are gorgeous. I love the linear stripes through here, and then some checks, just all sorts of fun patterns that I have not seen recently. Some white dots here and here, but it kind of still has like a cloudy effect looking. So just a lot of different ways you can go. And here we have Celebrate Every Little Thing, a whole lot of happy, a day as bright as the candles, and a great frame with some vines and some different textures. Super cute. Now here we have some hot air balloons. So you can almost use this for travel or celebrating like dreams come true, Disney, all that kind of more fanciful type of dreams. This is called Cheers. I love the little tape on the side and on the back side. Oh, I haven't seen this style before, where it has it looks like maybe a 3.5 by 5 and then a frame going this way. So this is super cute, and it's getting easier and easier just to plop your pictures in, maybe add a few more layers and really have a piece that looks like it has a lot of depth but doesn't take up a lot of depth in your scrapbooks. Oh, and I should say this little thing, caught in the moment, surrounded by my favorite people, wish, dream bigger. And so that can all be, cut up and used individually if you so choose. Now this one is called Hooray. Super cute little bakery display down here. Kind of has a ledger feel, still has some of that horizontal lines that takes your eye across the page, and a little bit of text in here. And then this side, just that full-on blue plaid. Current mood celebration, cue the confetti, eat cake, make memories repeat. And great too for little boy celebrations. Now, I don't have a little boy, but I have friends who do, so maybe I will scrapbook some of their pictures. We'll see. But again, you don't even have to use this for celebration unless you wish to. Revelry, I love the kites. This would be a great little day on the beach with kite type of page. Some text through here, kind of a ledger. There's numbers and such, so it actually does have that ledger feel even more so. And look at this. I love that dot because the little diamonds in between are a really strong feature as well. So you can focus on either color and bring out a different look. A whole year more wonderful, the afterglow, confetti in my hair, joy everywhere, super cute sayings. All right, this is called Jubilee, and leaning a little bit more into that blue plaid, but still a great mixed media feel to it. I love the white and the little circle elements. Still has that strong horizontal feel as well. Just a great balanced page. Oh, and I love this zigzag. I am excited about the patterns in this collection. So it'll be a lot of fun to work with. And the sayings on this: celebrate every little thing, a whole lot of happy, a day as bright as the candles. All right, here we have another mixed media. The blue plaid is a little bit softer on this one. There are a few more elements of pink in that background. This is called Bash, and it has some of the more of the pink, so I understand why there was a little more pink in the front. So it has the pink stars, super cute, with a kind of checkerboard feel in the background. Happiness is good food, good friends, and a good reason to party, for sure. Now look at all those, I won't say cupcakes, but because it is like, look at all those cupcake frosting tops. Oh my gosh. It is like frosting and sprinkles all over this page. Super cute. And this is what I'm going to use, right? I love wood grain, so easy decision for me, but this would be super cute if you're doing a birthday type of celebration or anything that involves your birthday cake, anniversary, all those sorts of things where you might have some fun party decorations. The joy is in the journey, but the party is in the destination. Oh, that's super cute. I'll probably use that definitely on one of my layouts. So, and here, these are not part of the collection. So they are to supplement, particularly if you need a little bit more wood grain and florals, because there wasn't a lot of florals, right, as we were going through there. So you can either cut those out or use them as accents. And then we have this great white with black dots. And this is from Memory Place. This is from the Happy Birthday collection. And then we have this one from the garden. And so this is the Michele Coleman collection. And we have a great pink on the back of that. Now, we just did last month was from the garden collection, but this is not one of the papers I recognize. So it must not have been included last month, and so don't worry about having duplicates. There was one that was this color with floral in it, but it was more of a damask and a lot more white in that background. So there are the papers. You will also receive, let's talk about the 49 and Market Glimmer and Glee parts of the kit first, which includes the laser cut elements. And so with the laser cuts, get this open. First of all, you have some cutouts. Look at those clouds. I love using clouds on my layouts, and I have never seen them with that variety of colors. So those will be super fun to use on a layout. And then you get 2 pages, 2 2-page sets, right? So a bunch of gerber looking daisies through here. I love the little fences that almost look like crayons. A lovely wreath here, a couple of those. More of the balloons, butterflies, and both party balloons and hot air balloons. Super cute. And then on this page is more of your party elements as far as cupcakes, ice cream, and your cute little teddy bear with balloons, and then some banners. And there are also some elements that don't lean quite so much into the party, like your bird house, your park bench, your lanterns. So just a lot of variety out of this. You get 91 pieces of ephemera and frames. And so now lots of times with these, I do like to spread them out for you so you don't have to watch me sort them. But this one looks like a lot of pieces that, you know, are the frames or aren't like image types of things as much. So we have a lot of borders. We do have some frames with some banners and some little pieces to embellish. More frames, some tags. There is some word art in here. Happy birthday, party time, best wishes, make a wish, happy birthday, good time. So a lot of the phrases in here do lean more towards celebrations. Some little tags, some envelopes in those frames. Some little musical note clouds. Those are super cute. Musical note hearts with the frames. Musical note stars. We can see there's a pattern here. Some more of the clouds. Some tickets. So those are easy to use no matter what the theme. Same with the bingo cards. Lots of labels, little tickets, postcards. Some larger pieces that you can use as basis for your embellishments or for your journaling, or to be one of the layers of your matting for your photos. Best day ever. So very grateful. And then in the packaging, you do have some cut aparts. These are all frames with images inside of them that you can cut out, the balloons. There's some gifts, some bows, some birds, and then you have more party balloons and hats up on top. So super cute. Now, my Creative Scrapbook thought about the titles and those elements, since there's most of the word art does lean towards celebrations in the kit. So they included these stickers called Escape the Ordinary. They kind of look Vicky Bootonish to me. I'm not sure like what collection it might have been with, but Escape the Ordinary, Daily Adventures, Daydreamer, Be Bold, Let's Do This, Good Things, some phrases down here. So you do have a lot of title options. So that is very helpful. There is also a stencil, and this is one of those I'm pretty sure this is Vicky Boutin, but it's one of those scripts that look like words, but I don't think they're really words. And so a great little deal to add some mixed media to your layouts. And then finally, we have our flowers. And so we have all of these are from Little Birdie. We have these that have a bit of sparkle to them. They are a little bit thicker if you like that, or if you're doing a mixed media project with your celebration pictures. There are these. This is very similar to one that we got last month. I love the butterflies on the little sticks, but since these are ivory, they're really easy to change the color if you want to, and very easy to take off the centers if you don't like the height. And then finally, I love these blue flowers. They're so pretty. I'm just excited for the blue and a lot of the brighter elements in this kit. I think it'll be a lot of fun to play with. And keep in mind, there will also be, I didn't print it out, I forgot, but there will be a sketch and a cut file included in your kit. And if you are giving into temptation, if you've thought about joining a kit club and want to try it out, please put my name and free kit in the, or free gift in the comments, and you will receive a free gift when you subscribe. So thanks for joining me today. Be sure to check out the other fabulous kits for July from My Creative Scrapbook, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you, everyone.